Hi folks, everybody's running around hyped up and panic thanks to the lying mass media. Always lies through their brains. That's why we have, okay, big trouble is mass media always lie like hell. Everything on YouTube is bullshit except for a few channels that I recommend. A lot of it's crap. Do not go into the fear porn. 2. This is a food video. Food video. Do not buy buckets of food. It's a waste of money and it's crap. Alright, especially the Wise food buckets. They already had a run on Mountain House. You will not find a decent value. There's a lot of price gougers. I gotta take off these things. Oh God. There's a lot of price gougers. And a lot of people, now Hoople's Cat did his shopping already. Go check out his channel. He has a video on that. Just buy normal, regular stuff. Okay? This is the food video. For Frank, and I forgot her last name, dang it. Frank and Tina, sorry Frank and Tina, and the Page Homestead. Sometimes Uncle Alan's old and I have 2 strokes, so my brain damage gets in the way. But Uncle Alan's more smarter than most people, and I got to take this damn medication after I do this because my eye's screaming in horrible pain. Okay. Now Hubble's Cat did a food video. Everybody should have a cook's pantry. Alright? Not a cupboard, not some shelves loaded up with food. A cook's pantry. Now I have one that's full of cooking gear. Anthony of Palmetto Prepared knows I like to cook. Okay? I do have my stores hidden away from everybody in a safe, cool place. After losing 2 of them, I'm not going to lose my 4th. Screw everybody. Okay? You want 30 days of food. This is the easiest thing. Okay? You want long grain rice because a lot of you can't do the short grain because that's a specialty rice like jasmine. A lot of Asians eat it because we steam it. We know how to cook it. So you want long grain rice. You can eat it steamed or kind of boiled. It's perfect for you guys. It is easy to do. It doesn't take that long. So you want 10 pounds per person. So if there's 2 of you, how many pounds is that? That's 20 pounds. Okay, simple. Gotta do this fast. You want the same amount per person, 10 pounds of lentils. Because it's a lot easier to cook than beans, and a lot of you people don't know how to cook beans. Trust me, I've seen people. So it's, again, 10 pounds per person. Okay? If all things go to pot, those are the 2 that's going to keep you alive. Now, you can get Kiowa. Me, I prefer barley. Okay? Hubble's Cat prefer Kiowa. I prefer barley or Milo. I'm a country boy. All right? Then you want 10 cans or jars of tomato sauce, or stewed tomatoes or diced tomatoes, but a tomato-based product. But I tell most people to get the sauce. That's the easiest. You can't screw that up. Now, this all fits fairly easy, and if you're retired, if you're elderly, or if you're on a fixed income, this fits in that budget. Forget about the food bucket, forget about freeze-dried, forget a bunch of weird camping foods, or M.R.Es, or M.R.Es, or IPNs, or IPOs, or Russian rations, or tube rations. Go with the basic. Go to your grocery store. It's right there. It doesn't cost you arm and leg in shipping. Just go over there. Simple. Okay? Everybody should have this. Pasta. Dried pasta. Buy the box. Put it in the freezer for a couple of hours to kill any bugs or anything. Take it out of the box. You see something rolling around. Those, whatever killed it by the thing. Make sure it's all dry. Put another half hour in there. out of the box on a little tray. Keep it nice and cool. Take it out, put it into a Mylar bag once it's nice and room temperature. Add an oxygen absorber. If you're in a humid area, a moisture absorber too. Okay. You want to do about 5 boxes per person. That's a lot of pasta. You don't have to buy 5 tons. You just buy enough for 30 days. Now, I don't think everybody wants to eat 10 or 20 boxes of pasta. Okay? Think about the serving size. Think about the calorie content. Now, this is carb heavy. Okay? A lot of people, like me, I'm diabetic, so I have to watch this. But I have other foods stashed away in my cook's pantry that counterbalance this. But this is just an emergency supply for 30 days of food. Okay? Olive oil. You get the good olive oil. Like if you watch West Wind's channel or Wayne G, you get good olive oil. 2 bottles. And make sure they're quart bottles because you don't know how long this is. Olive oil has rich nutrients and also it has carbs. And also you burn it too. Next thing is you want a family-sized can of tuna, whole tuna, or a chicken breast, big pieces, the good ones. Do not get the cheap cat food kind. That's mostly water or oil and ground up whatever tuna fish left in it. All right, you want spring water or good olive oil type. You try to find tuna and good olive oil in America. Come on. That could be the next lotto winner. Okay, but chicken in spring water or water base, which is good. And you want to get the big cans. I prefer Costco or Sam's Club. And you want to give it 10 cans. All right, and then you want 10 cans of, how can I say it? Most people in England will go with baked beans, but we have canned foods that are meal ready. It's like a soup in a can or a meal in a can. If you have one of those for 2 people, you can feed 2 people on that. Pour it over the rice, pour it over the lentils, pour it over barley, and you have a nutritious meal. So you want 10 cans of ravioli, chili, the soup, Campbell soup things, big cans, not the little one, big cans, so you have enough to feed, and that's 10 cans per person. So that's 20 cans for 2 people. So if you have 4 people, how many cans is that per person? Think about it, 40. So you put it on, okay? And then we come to fruits and vegetables. Now, I always push for fruits instead of vegetables because if you're growing a correct garden outside during the summer, you should have enough fresh vegetables to cover that. Okay, so what do we have to get for fruit? You could get 10 cans of apricots. You could get 10 cans of peaches. You could take 10 cans of applesauce. You could get 10 cans. I would watch it on the pineapple, so date it and write with a big marker pen. Big marker pen, like Gil says, a Gil's patent family compound. Easy, should all fit in a box, all right? Fruit, all right? Whatever your choice. And also you want to add jams and jellies. Okay? Me, if it's this kind of dire situation, I'll switch from good old coffee to dark tea and green tea. Now, how many bags of tea do you have to make a cup of tea? Okay, like me, I'll have 1 or 2 cups a day, so I'll figure that out. In my suitcase thing, I got 30-day supply. That's 30 bags of tea. Easy to do, not as hard. And if you look around and shop around, you pick it up fairly easy. Now, I've seen some joker paying $20 for freeze-dried tea, and I think, God, this person is stupid. Okay, Another thing is cereal and shelf-stable milk. It could be dairy milk, it could be plant-based milk, it could be soy milk, but it's shelf-stable, so you have it. And also get yourself 5 pounds or packets of powdered milk. It's simple, easy protein, and you got cereal. Who could screw up cereal? I've seen people do it, all right? Cereal is good for breakfast. I split that with either boxes of cereal, like 2 big boxes will last a month for my family. Just for me, 1 small box of cereal, that's fine. Okay, so we have 3 boxes of cereal. Or I'll substitute that with oatmeal, because I could do more with oatmeal. All right, back to the fruit again. Make sure you have some dried fruits. Dates, raisins, prunes, dried apricots, banana chips, apple slices, dried fruits. You want about maybe a pound, pound and a half. You're not supposed to eat it straight. You use it for cooking. And to top this list off at a very decent price, a month's worth of multivitamins. This is all easy to do, and what I read you down on the list for one person is less than $100 or less. Okay? That if you want to make it more cheaper, subtract the tuna and chicken. It's even cheaper than that. And if you buy it in bulk and you know where to get it, you could split it up with your families into serving sizes and individuals. Uncle Alan's good with this. Uncle Alan's good with numbers, and Uncle Alan knows how to do it. So how big is that? That's not much, but the weight's going to kill you. But if you're bugging in or you're sealed in the house, you've got plenty of food. Easy as pie, nothing special or high tech or in a food bucket. It's normal food. All right, there's other things I have in my cook pantry that make this a whole lot better. I have spices, I have certain things that make this bit better. So I'll catch you later, folks.